Welcome! Today I am with Sportage and I will show you how you can adjust all menu icons. So we have to go for the all menu, and there we got the all icons, right? So if you want to edit the position of them, you have to tap on the right upper corner of the edit, and then simply click, hold, and then drag icons like that. You have to click, hold, and then put it here, or maybe here. As you can see, it's very simple. And if you want to save those changes, you have to simply tap on the right upper corner, and you can just go back. As you can see, everything was saved. And that's it. So if you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.